Hey everyone, if you're someone who's planning to travel to the US or you interact with US customers, today's video is just for you. It's going to make you sound way more natural because we are going to take a look at some American slang or conversational phrases that you're going to get to hear everywhere around you, in the streets, at the office, absolutely anywhere. So it's not just textbookish English, it's the real American slang. So let's dive in. I'm down. This is one of the most common phrases you'll hear among friends. For example, if someone says, let's go hiking tomorrow, you can respond by saying, I'm down. That means count me in, I'm ready. So this is to show your acceptance or approval to do something. I'm down. No worries. This one you'll hear everywhere, in grocery shops, in streets, at schools, at work, absolutely everywhere. It simply means don't stress about it. It's all right. There's no need to apologize. No worries. Now, worry is a word which we normally don't pluralize, but in modern English, it's very common to say no worries. That means don't worry about it. That hits different. This phrase is used normally for something that is unexpectedly amazing. It could be nostalgia, it could be some music, it could be some food, but you never thought that it would give you so much pleasure. In this situation, you can say that hits different. For example, you had your mom's delicious cooking after a long time, or you had an iced latte on a hot day, or you're listening to a song from your high school days. You can say, oh, that hits different.
Hey, do you want to hang out today after work?
I wish I could, but I'm swamped. I'm swamped actually means I'm busy. This is for the busy people. Americans usually prefer saying I'm swamped rather than I'm busy. Imagine a swamp, a big, messy, dirty place, overwhelming. This is where the word comes from. I'm swamped. Low key and high key. These phrases are particularly popular with young Americans. Low key means wishing for something quietly, secretly, not shouting about it from the rooftops. For example, I low key want to move to California. That means you want it, but you're not shouting about it. And high key is exactly the opposite, that you're telling about it to everyone. For example, I high key need a vacation. That means you desperately want a vacation.
Hey, do you want a coffee?
I'm good. Americans use this phrase to politely decline something, decline an offer. For example, someone offers you a coffee, food, drinks. You say, I'm good. That means you don't want it. It doesn't mean you're doing well, or it's not talking about your well-being in general. It's actually a polite and a friendly way to deny a request. No biggie. That means something is not a big deal for you. You're not bothered or upset by it. You can simply say, oh, it's no biggie. For real, this phrase is used to express your surprise or disbelief. For example, if someone says, I've got 2 tickets to the Arijit Singh concert, you're like, for real? That means you can't believe it. Are you serious? You're good. Another very commonly used phrase in America and often misunderstood by Indians. If you apologize, you say, I'm sorry, you keep repeating it, the other person might just say, you're good. That means you don't need to apologize. It doesn't mean you're a good-natured person, that you're a good person. It simply means it's all right. Don't worry about it. Don't think about it. You're in a good place. You're good. So that's it. These are the phrases that are very commonly used by the Americans. If you start using them in your daily conversations, you will also start sounding like a native English speaker. So I hope this was helpful. For more such content, like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you want to learn more English, you can join our online and offline courses at Bapat Academy. Enjoy English.